Now, if you are on the Jubilee and you have mobility issues and you have an ADA cabin, Michael's going to demonstrate the ease of the door. You simply push a button, the door opens for you. You do need to be careful of the lip. It will go down all the way once the door is closed. But on the inside, there is another button to close the door. And again, it will close again for you on its own. Isn't that just amazing? Again, one of the benefits of having an ADA accessible room. Now, my room is a fully accessible room, which means there should not be any lips whatsoever. There is a little water guard shielding the door that does move up and down, so you just have to wait for that to move out of the way to be able to roll right on into the room.